Behold, the rare Linda Lovelace edition C clamps from Williams. Haha! Seriously, $20 as they were produced way before the movie came out. All joking aside, I got these from the Cocklers, and they told me that they are at least 100 years old. They were Mrs. Cockler's grandfathers. I'm just gonna wire wheel them and give them a fresh coat of paint and call it a day. I really don't need any more C clamps, but I just could not pass these up when I saw the name on them. Ah, heck! While eating some lunch, I decided to soak them in awesome sauce, aka Evaporust, that the magnificent bastard 357 Magdad gave me at Jacktown, while I take my afternoon nap. They really don't need to, but why not? Anyways, see you when I wake up.
3 hours later.
Alrighty, Dudezillas. You should know the routine by now, unless you are quote-unquote short bus special. 5 words for you. Clean, paint, and actually use. Oh, one thing that you don't know is that I used this paint on them, and I will be using these rare Linda Lovelace edition C clamps on a future project. So stay tuned to the Casa de McBride Chronicles.
Now, everybody, it's time for the post-wire brush evaluation. Sponsored by Victory by Scout Crafter. 50% desire, 50% passion. And don't be stingy with it. Sold at these fine stores. Victory.
This is the reason why I tape them in the air conditioning. So there you go, all painted and ready for future projects. Oh, and in case you were wondering, mentally, I am still 15 years old, so I will giggle every time I use them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andy has left the building. Good night.
He will always be the king no matter what.